cousins, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in full fall mode. I have this unit on that is brought to you guys by Shein. I'll be sure to link all their information down below in my description box, so be sure to check there. And you will want to, because look, come a little closer. Shein is having a buy one get one plus 8 sale. You heard me right. That's buy one wig, get one wig free, plus you get 8 free gifts. You don't want to miss out. So be sure to click the link in my description box that will take you right over to this sale, because who doesn't want to save a coin? I'm here to help my cousins keep more money in their pockets. Of course, I wanted to start this install process off by showing you guys the inside cap construction. It is nice and roomy, so I would say it's big head friendly. This is Shein's transparent lace front body wave unit, and I have it in a 13x4, but you can get it in a 4x4 or 5x5, so you can get a closure if you wanted to, or you can get a 13x4 or a 13x6. I have the 13x6, and it does come in 150% density as well as 180% density, and it goes from 16 inches to 20 inches. I have 18 inches, and I feel like it is a little short, though I did trim off about an inch or so. So if you do like this unit and you want it to be a little bit longer, I suggest you go with 20 inches. This is the perfect time to purchase a human hair unit from Shein, because as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, they are currently having a buy one get one sale on all their human hair units. This one retails for around $130, so you can get another unit of equal or lesser value for free. That's 2 human hair wigs for a little under $100. They have some wigs that's human hair that's under 100, so whatever you want, Shein has it in your price range, so you cannot go wrong with this sale. Child, it's been about over 2 hours. Ooh, child. I know there's a wig laid though. So let me run down my overall opinion about this wig. Is this unit worth the price? Are Shein human hair wigs worth the price? Absolutely. With this particular unit, it does not come pre-plucked in my opinion, so expect to do some work to the hairline, but it wasn't nothing too crazy. I will link some other reviews to my favorite units that I have got from Shein so far, and those wigs come pre-plucked and they're ready to go straight out the package. This one you will have to do a little bit of work, but if you want to achieve this look or even get it even more natural, you have the option to do so. I would suggest that you get this unit, and it's another wig in this color that comes, I think it goes up to like 24 inches. If you like longer hair, I would suggest that. I'm used to like more glamorous burgundy hair, so I felt like I was needing some more inches, but that's just my own personal preference. As you guys can see, I'm going in cutting some layers. This wig doesn't shed too much, but it does shed when you brush through it, just like any other wig, so I don't feel like any alarm about that. I did wash this wig a couple days ago, and when I washed it, it wasn't shedding or anything like that. far as the longevity of the Shein wigs that I have in my collection currently, I feel like they're what you make of them. Just like any overseas hair, you have to take care of it. Just like your natural hair, you have to take care of it. So definitely another also approved unit from Shein. The only complaint I have is I done got lazy and I done got used to having a pre-plucked hairline, and this one needs a little bit of work, and I would have loved to have got this wig longer, because this 18 inches is giving more of 16 inches, but not bad for the price, especially knowing that right now you can buy one, get one free, 2 for 1. You cannot go wrong. Don't forget to search 111 on Shein.com and you will get an offer to get 2 wigs for the price of 1. Yes, that's buy one get one free. And also you will be able to pick out 8 free gifts. Y'all, you cannot go wrong. Go ahead and get you one of them. Let me know how you feel about this wig down below. For your convenience, if you want to see the other wigs that I have reviewed, I will put them in my description box so you guys can see how those units look on me and hear my opinion on them. And until next time, I want to thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Do you like this wig better straight, or do you like it better with a curl? It held a curl extremely well. No complaints at all. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.